Sabi sa'yo eh, huwag kang magpaniwala sa taong to. Huh?
I'm gonna need our 4 players. We're gonna play Weekend at Bernie's. I need Thea, Ding Dong, Aaron, and Papu. So let's give them an inspiration first for their scene. What is something na madalas yung pag-awayan ng pamilya ninyo? I heard lupa from over here. So this is Weekend at Bernie's with lupa.
Okay, please sign. Please sign para makuha na natin yung lupa. Family, let's go.
Wilbaro, busy kami dito. Puro ka kontrata.
Kailangan natin pirmahan to para atin talaga yan. Nagtatrabaho kayo pero ayaw niyo mag-sign?
Okay. Uy, kuya, saluhin mo to. Amin na, pirmahan ko na yan.
Pirmahan mo na. Ito yung ballpen. Finally. Ayan. Next.
Ako na.
Okay, next.
Wait lang.
Oh.
So, ikaw makakakuha ng lupa?
Yes. Nag-sign ka na.
Sabi sa'yo eh, huwag kang pauto dyan.
Teka lang, asan yung pala?
Ha?
Ate, malalim-lalim na to.
Okay.
Hindi na. Wala kang choice.
Ha?
Kuya!
A round of applause for our improvisers. Can I ask them, all 4 of them to line up, please? I'm gonna ask the audience now to give a round of applause to your favorite character in the scene. Is it Papu's character? What about Ding Dong's character? How about Aaron? Or Thea? At dahil paborito niyo si Thea, unfortunately, she died unexpectedly. They have to replay that exact same scene with Thea being only a dead corpse as a puppet in this scene. Makikita natin siya. This is Weekend at Bernie's with Lupa.
Okay, everyone. Family, time to sign. Pirmahan na natin to.
Busy kami dito. Dami mong ginagawa.
Paano natin makukuha yan kung hindi nyo isa-sign dito? Nagtatrabaho kayo dyan.
Kuya! Saluhin mo to!
Oh, sige. Pipirmahan ko na. Saan ba? Ito? Okay. Next.
Teka lang. So, ibig mo sabihin, ikaw lang ang makakakuha ng lupa?
Yes.
Ha? Sabi sa'yo eh, huwag kang magpaniwala sa taong to. Huh?
Nasaan ang pala?
Malalim na to.
Ha?
Wala kang choice!
Another round of applause. Can I ask the improvisers line up, please? So Thea is dead. That means we only have Ding Dong, Aaron, and Papu. Who's your favorite this scene? Is it Ding Dong? Is it Aaron? Or is it Papu? Is it Aaron? Or is it Papu? It's Aaron. Unfortunately, Aaron has died also today. This is Weekend at Bernie's with Lupa.
Okay, sign the papers. Dami mong ginagawa dito. Dami mong ginagawa.
Kuya! Catch!
Ano?
Oh, sige na. Mag-sign ka na.
Oh, sige na nga.
Next! Ha? So, ibig mo sabihin, sa'yo lang mapupunta ang lupa?
Ha?
Oo, nag-sign ka na eh.
Sabi sa'yo, huwag kang magpaloko sa taon to. Huh?
Asan ang pala? Nako, mukhang malalim-lalim na yung hukay na to ah. Wala kang choice.
And of course, we're not ending until one of them dies once more. Is it Ding Dong? Or is it Papu? In a sudden twist of events, we are going to kill Ding Dong. So this Weekend at Bernie's with Lupa.
Okay guys, pirmahan na natin to. Ha? Kita mong nagtatrabaho kami dito tapos puro ka pirma dyan. Kuya, catch! Pirma. Okay, eto na, pipirmahan ko na. Next! Ha? So, ibig mo sabihin, sa'yo lang mapupunta yung lupa? Nag-sign ka na eh. Sabi sa'yo, huwag kang magpapaniwala dyan eh. Nasaan ang pala? Nasaan ang pala? Nako, mukhang malalim-lalim na tong hukay na to ah. Wala kang choice.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's Weekend at Bernie's with Bingo, Aaron, and Papu.
Spit Manila.